Cataglop, a multi-service boat, is very effective for the collecting of floating vegetable matter such as seaweed or duckweed and even jellyfish. A flux created by a turbine passes between the hulls of Cataglop. The duckweed is sucked in and retained in a basket provided with a grid. This basket is automatically emptied into a container located on the bridge. The flux created by the turbine is effective whether the vessel is going forwards, backwards, or in a static position. Even in the static position, Cataglop creates a flux which enables her to suck in all the surrounding duckweed. The basket can contain up to 200 kilos per lifting, and the container on the bridge has a capacity of 800 kilos. For a weaker concentration, part of the duckweed can pass through the grids of the basket. Thus, surface flux conveys the duckweed to a separation tank, where it is stored floating. An on-board motor-driven pump transfers the duckweed to the container located on the bridge. During this operation, Cataglop showed its effectiveness by collecting 2 tons of duckweed in 1 hour.